I've architected a way to use the world's most powerful AI to actually hide the internet from myself. This isn't about logging off. This is about building a digital monastery, a sophisticated buffer that curates your information stream through a private, offline neural network. What if you could install your own autonomous gatekeeper and finally reclaim your focus from the modern web? This brings us to the central question. How can we build a robust, AI-powered defense against the relentless demands of the modern attention economy? The scale of this challenge is staggering. Consider this. Every single day, humanity now creates over 328 million terabytes of new data, most of it designed not to inform, but to capture and hold your attention. The answer matters because our ability to think deeply, to innovate, and to simply be present is under direct and continuous assault. By the end of this video, you will understand the complete architecture of a personal AI sanctuary, a system designed to filter the internet's noise, neutralize its psychological hooks, and restore your cognitive sovereignty for good. Let's start with a simple idea. Imagine the internet is a roaring, unfiltered fire hose, blasting you with a chaotic mix of vital information, addictive entertainment, and manipulative advertising. The average smartphone user now endures 46 push notifications every day, each one a tiny bid for a slice of your mental energy. The digital monastery isn't about turning off the water. It's about installing an intelligent personal filtration system right at the nozzle. This system, your own private AI, learns your explicit goals and intentions. It then proactively sifts through the digital deluge on your behalf, delivering only the clean, distilled information you actually need. It allows you to engage with the world's knowledge on your own terms and on your own schedule. First, we must understand the adversary. The current attention economy isn't just about showing you ads. By 2026, it has perfected predictive neuro-targeting. Platforms use relentless A or B testing on headlines, colors, and notification timings to discover the perfect combination that triggers maximum emotional reaction. Algorithms then deploy unpredictable rewards and constant novelty to hijack your brain's dopamine system, creating a compulsive loop. This shatters deep focus. Research from the University of California, Irvine confirms it takes an average of 23 minutes and 15 seconds to regain concentration after a single digital interruption. Standard ad blockers and do not disturb modes are like wooden shields against laser-guided missiles. They are structurally obsolete against modern algorithmic persistence. The digital monastery acts as a sovereign defensive layer, an entirely new class of protection between your mind and the open web. So how do we build our defense? We deploy a neural guard. This involves running small, powerful, open-source AI models on your own local hardware, a dedicated computer, or a small silent server in your home. The key breakthrough is the recent explosion in model efficiency. Some modern small language models are over 400 times smaller than giants like GPT-3, yet can perform specific tasks like summarization and filtering with incredible accuracy, making them perfect for local deployment. This system is air-gapped or LAN only, meaning your personal data, your intentions, and your digital life never leave the physical safety of your home. It's total privacy by design. This setup fundamentally shifts your relationship with information, moving you from passive consumption, where the web pushes content at you, to an active pull system. Your AI agent acts as an intelligent firewall, venturing out to fetch only what meets your explicit intent. Now for the architecture. Your private intelligence layer is configured to summarize, filter, and sanitize all incoming information. It does this using a local embedding database. Think of it as a hyper-efficient mathematical index of your goals and interests. The AI cross-references new data against this index, instantly determining its relevance. It's a shocking fact that on many popular news sites, over 50% of the data loaded is not the article itself, but trackers, ads, and scripts. Your AI ruthlessly strips away these psychological triggers. The outrage bait headlines, the infinite scroll mechanisms, the auto-playing videos, the countdown timers, all of it is neutralized. The AI then converts the visually chaotic web into high-signal, clean markdown text, It delivers pure knowledge, not a vehicle for engagement hacking. What is it like to live inside this shield? Imagine a deep work session. Your AI buffer is handling everything: emails, news alerts, social media notifications, silently in the background. It identifies what's truly important, summarizes it, and holds it for you. Studies on multitasking show that this kind of frequent context switching can slash your productivity by up to 40%. You are no longer browsing a live feed. You are engaging in asynchronous browsing, interacting with a curated private knowledge base that your AI has prepared. This complete elimination of micro-distractions and outrage cycles leads to quantifiable cognitive recovery and a profound increase in meaningful creative output. This brings us to some common misconceptions. Many believe a simple ad blocker is sufficient. It is not. A 2021 study revealed that nearly 30% of top websites now use technology like server-side ad insertion, which makes promotions invisible to traditional blockers. These tools cannot defend against the core problem: algorithmic manipulation of your attention. Others tried digital detoxes. While beneficial for a reset, they are a temporary fix for a permanent problem. You eventually return to the same toxic information environment, and the old habits rush back. The Monastery is about changing the environment itself, not just your behavior within it. Finally, the belief that powerful AI requires the cloud and compromises privacy is now decisively outdated. Your data, your rules. Looking forward, local AI autonomy is the only viable path to maintaining individual agency in an increasingly automated world. The trend is clear. By 2027, it's projected that 75% of all enterprise data will be processed locally at the edge rather than in the cloud. We are bringing that same power to the individual. Your digital monastery can scale from a single workstation to a holistic private digital lifestyle, protecting your family, your home, and most importantly, your mind. This is a call to action for reclaiming the quiet web, a sanctuary where the mind can finally do what it does best: learn, create, and innovate. So what is the digital monastery? It's a personal shield using local AI for absolute privacy and data ownership. It's an intelligent filter, swapping internet noise for high-signal knowledge to restore your deep focus. And it's a new way to live, using asynchronous engagement to grant you true cognitive sovereignty. You now know how to architect a system that hides the internet from you, so you can engage with it on your own terms. We are at the beginning of a movement to build a better digital world, one mind at a time. The tools are here. The choice is yours. Join the movement to build your own digital monastery. Subscribe for more insights on reclaiming your digital life and mastering the future of focus. What's the first thing you'd ask your AI gatekeeper to filter out? Let us know in the comments.